Hello, my people. On today's episode of Panegyrics and Translation, we have Oriki Egba. Egba mo lakejo bio. Amole sabio. Egba, the offspring of Lakejobi and of Lisabi. Amerejo ogun la mo shelekun pelekunde. The child of a warrior inherits wealth. The one who opens and closes the door. The one who sees glory amidst the battle. Olúbàrà ọba ni, àgùrà ọba ni, ọ̀ṣìlẹ̀ ọba ni, olówódùrọ̀ ọba ni, Aláké Ẹ̀gbá kọ́síbẹ̀ lálàáfíà ara ọba nísìn. You are the Tobichi of 5 kings, which are Olu of Ibara, Gbagura of Agura, Ọ̀ṣìlẹ̀ of Okeono, Olowu of Owu kingdom, and the majestic Aláké of Ake. Yìí ni wọ́n ṣe ní Mẹ́kà tí wọ́n kì í ṣe nínú ilé bàbá tó bí yín lọ́mọ. Wọ́n mọ̀ mí sẹ́mi ní Mẹ́kà. Ẹ̀yin mọ̀ mí odò lẹ́gbàá àti yín. Wọ́n gòkè àràfà ní Mẹ́kà. Ẹ̀yin gòkè Olúmọ lẹ́gbàá Aláké. What is this they do in Mecca that you don't do in Egbaland? As they drink the Zamzam water in Mecca, so as you drink the pristine water of Odogun in Egba. As the pilgrims hike the hills of Arafat, same as Egba hides the hill of Olumo. Egba báyìí sí o, báwa ni. Egba méjò níjà ara wọn níyàn. Bọ́kàn bá ti ní báyìí sí, èkejì àti mọ́ ní báwa ni. Egba, how are you? I am fine. Two Egbas do not disagree. Once one speaks, the other affirms. Bye, thank you for watching. I am Akonke Chanta. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. God bless you. Bye. See you some other time.